How to change currency in Booking.com app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency inside the Booking.com app. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Booking.com app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as device preferences. And now here, under the settings, simply scroll down and tap on currency. And here you'll see the list of all currency. So simply select your preferred currency and that's it. That's how you can change currency on Booking.com app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.